As you can see, we are not home. We are in the woods today, having some family time. It's very empty because it's raining on and off, so no one wants to be here, including this guy. Basically, I've been doing my uni assignments and then I took a few days because I got a little bit ill, so I just wanted to recoup.
Look at down. Oh yeah, when the bridge and the mic.
Woody's really excited to use the rocket launcher. We haven't used it in a while, so I brought it with us today so that we could play. And we're going to have some hot dogs on the gas stove and just enjoy the woods. But yeah, so basically I took a week off or so. I've got a couple of videos that still need editing. And then the big announcement, we're going to start daily vlogging for a little while, just see how it goes. I don't know if it's going to be right for us, but I just want to give it a go. I've been wanting to do it for a really long time, but with other commitments like uni, it's not been a super idea. But as soon as I've got the summer off, I'm going to give it a go. So yeah, join us for a fun day with lots of greenery. Yay! Huh? You want the rockets? Okay. Rocket time.
Careful, careful. Right, me and Nishka will go and try and catch him. All the way down.
Dad, come and catch them.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh, Nishka's pooping. Whoa! Whoa!
No!
Wait.
Go push it back down.
1, 2, 3.
Nice! Good job! Daddy can check them.
More. Yeah. Oh, la. Come in, Dad.
We got Nishka doesn't like water.
Mum, can you come in?
I will, yeah.
Right, let him go that way.
Which
yeah,
one?
'cause then you'll be in the dry.
I'll be dry.
Well, drier. I'm not sure there's any such thing as dry today.
I don't know.
Can you hear the birdies? Woody, shh, ready? Can you hear the birds? Yeah.
I just go tadpole.
A tadpole?
Yeah, like zoom. And let's go that way.
Oh.
Can you find a tadpole?
We can have a look, can't we?
There. Wow.
Playing a game where you have to listen to see what you can hear in the woods, and Woody's been very good at it, haven't you?
And I find everything. Okay.
Artie, our explorer, always goes off on his own to see what he can find.
And Woody the explorer.
And Woody the explorer is very loud, so probably everything runs away before he gets there.
Oh, I'm scared.
You're okay.
I don't want to get it.
I don't want this rocket.
Look at him. You sound like a monkey. You can just walk.
Just look
Good
at his
job, Archie.
face.
Look at Archie up there.
I don't want to die.
That's Woody's scared, and then there's Artie right up there.
Oh, these boys are so funny. I've come to rescue you, sir.
Hold my hand.
Have you found anything cool?
Let's go up, Mum.
You want to keep going? Okay, let's go. Oh, I can see pine cones.
Sticks.
And lots of sticks, yeah.
all the and you can crunchy sounds when you stomp on them.
Yes, that's another sound, isn't it? Good job.
What? And pine cones do sounds, and these everything does sounds in the wild.
Pretty much. You did so fast. He's hiding. Oh, I look like a drowned rat right now. It's so wet. But we're having fun, aren't we, Auntie?
No.
Oh, that boy. He loves it while he's out here, but he just will constantly tell me that he's not having fun. Like, he wants to just remind me that this isn't his cup of tea.
Or vegetables.
Ducks eat vegetables. Does Woody eat vegetables?
No.
Woody, what's the animal that sounds like a wolf?
A chihuahua.
Chihuahua, man.
A chihuahua?
Why
It's
would
like
you
a
be
koala
in the woods?
chihuahua. Back at the car. Boys are just chilling out inside because it is still chucking it down, but can you see in the background there's loads of blue? So me and Joe are just waiting for the blue, and then we're going to cook some sausages out of the boot. And poor Nishka is out with us because she's stinky and shedding, and so I want her in the boot after we've eaten, but until then she's outside so she can live looking sorry for herself. Poor love.
Wait, why does it not? Wait, why does it not? Wait, Woody, why does it not just say giddy, gidda?
Oh, I've been married. Yeah, it says that too.
Wait, where's all of the food?
Oh, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? I found you, Mama. Okay.
Sweet boy.
Foxy. What the hell?
I'm a Sigma.
The hell?
It's amateur hour where we try and cook out the boot.
It'll work.
It'll work. The sun is shining. Huh?
How does this thing work?
I don't know. Do you want me to have a look?
Oh, you could
Ooh, fancy. Testing the walkie-talkies. Hello boys, can you hear me? I'm gonna walk away, ready?
How do you even eat a cheeseburger?
Right, I'll put that in there. And then...
Like this.
Fingers, sorry.
Same.
It's alright, it'd be alright if I need to clean them, but you never have.
I guess if you like French burgers, then
Put in the comments if you think Kate cleans her fingers.
That's a really weird thing to say.
Crocodile la-la-la.
Do you want ketchup and mustard? Ew!
Onion.
Do you want ketchup and mustard?
Onion.
And I'm a
That's the
tiger with a crocodile
French
and a
onion.
dinosaur.
Does it?
No,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Didn't realise you knew French.
I don't.
Crocodile,
This mustard comes out really weird.
Dino. How are you a dinosaur?
Thank you, my love.
My name comes up.
You are welcome, sir.
Give me a question now. What's 5 million plus 500?
It's packing away. Me and Wood's going to have one more go in the water.
Look how much bubbles there is.
Whoa!
Throw that over.
So yeah, we're going to have one more little splash around and then head home for the day. Steady.
Wait, Wait, what? Keep walking. Wait, I want to get myself in.
It's quite deep there, isn't it?
No, it's quite deep. I am shivering.
Is it cold?
Come in. Try. Just one stick in.
Mummy's not got wellies on. Woo!
What's that?